Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to make a quick video about making a base for my IBC Tote rainwater collection system. Basically what I did, I took some 4 by 8 by 16 flat blocks and took a measurement of the IBC Tote from side to side and then front to back, which is like 40 by 47, and transferred that dimension down there, and then leveled each cylinder block. Actually, I started with the back corner one there first, got that one leveled, and then leveled the one across from it on the right, and then leveled the one in front of it with it, and then leveled this one here with the one in the back, and then made sure that I went across from the left to the right and then left to the right in front until everything was good and level. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I like things to be almost perfect. So anyway, and so that's going to be the base for it, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and set these 8 by 8 by 12 rough lumber here, and the tote's going to sit on top of that. And what that's going to do is give me extra height for extra gravity feed. Because basically what I'm going to do is once this is installed, I'm going to go ahead and start collecting rainwater from this gutter here on the back of the house. And I'm going to have to redo it to actually cap it off over there, put some debris screening on top, and then put a spout or a drop right here in this corner coming down, and then swinging across, and then going in right here at the top, which I'm just going to take the cap off, put some mosquito screening on top of that as well, and just have the water come down right into it. Usually they recommend like covering this, the plastic, with some like black plastic or something like that. You can also paint it. What I'm going to do later on is actually go ahead and paint it either like a gray or brown color, and that all that does is it helps to keep algae from growing once the water's in there. And what it's going to do is this is what's going to be feeding my my garden here. I'm starting a little fruit tree nursery, if you will. Little papaya there, some mango trees here, banana tree way in the back, and then of course, you know, pineapple trees, plants rather, and also my huge mango tree. Well, that was huge, but which is actually beginning to come back slowly but surely after I pruned it after that frost we had. But anyway, that's a different video. So this is where I'm at. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and set this on the cinder blocks, and then lift up one side at a time, and then slide those big blocks underneath it to go ahead and set it in place. And then I'll be back after that. Alright, you guys, well, there you go. I had the neighbor's kid come over and give me a hand, and lifted this up, set the blocks down, and went ahead and set it right on top. So there it is. And what I'm probably going to end up doing is underneath, where it's not going to get any sun, it's probably going to be like all, you know, with some shadow. I'll probably go ahead and plant like some mushrooms or something that likes the, you know, the dark places, since nothing will be growing down there except, you know, some kind of fungus. But there it is, looking good. And like I said, being that high, that will definitely give me some gravity force. So when I you know, when it comes time to water my garden, I'm gonna get like a 2-inch fitting for this valve over here, and reduce it down to maybe like a 3/4 inch where I can put a garden hose on it, and then put one of those, what do they call those? It's the same thing you use on a sprinkler system, drippers. And I can just run a dripper line off of a T that I can put on there and run all those dripper lines to my trees once they get nice and big, and I can run basically a dripper line all the way to the back and put one, like 2 rows of them to go right down my pineapple rows once I transplant those in the ground. And speaking of my pineapple, you can see that this one, I guess that survived the frost, is actually starting the ripening, and I'm hoping it's going to be okay. And also, I know this is like getting off topic, but came back and found another one of my pineapples flowering. So now I have 3 coming up. Well, there you go, you guys. So this is the first of 2, and like I said, I'm trying to get ahead of the rainy season starting up. So next step is to go ahead and take some measurements and see what I need to get for a gutter to run a pipe from there all the way to the top of there. Well, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that little bell for notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you, and have a good one.